Now we are going to see chapter 2 whole numbers. What is whole number? The natural numbers along with 0 from the collection of whole numbers. So natural numbers along with 0 from the collection of whole numbers. So what is this? First, the natural number means, you know that first you must know the idea about natural numbers and whole numbers. This chapter is a whole number. First, you must know what is a whole number. Whole number means, what is a definition is given in the board. The natural numbers along with 0. The natural numbers along with 0. That means, what is a natural number? What is a natural number? That is the counting of numbers from 1, 2, 3, 4 are called natural numbers. So, the counting numbers, the numbers are starting with, if you count the numbers, start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So keep on going. So there is no end for that. That is called as a natural number. So the numbers start with 1. It is called as a number start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to it is an infinite. It is an infinite number. That means there is no, infinite means nothing but there is no end for that number. That is called as a natural number. So what is a whole number? The number start with 0. That is called as start with 0. That means the numbers combined with the natural numbers. The numbers, that means what is the number? That whole number means what is this? The number. That is, what is the number? 0. So the 0 is combined with a 0 is along with the natural number. It is called as a whole number. So start with 0. Simply I said start with 0. Start with 0 with start with 0. Start with 0 means it is a whole number. So generally what? Not only 0, 0 after that what will come? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is what they given, the natural number along with 0. So 0 along with natural number or natural number along with 0, it is called as a whole number. Anyhow, the numbers start with 0 and after that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's keep on going. It is also infinite number. So natural number means the number start with 1, but what whole number means the number start with 0, okay, along with the what? Natural number. That is called as, I'll repeat once again, whole number means the natural number along with 0. That means the number start with 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's keep on going. It is an infinite number. That is what I've given 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and I've given the dotted line. That means there is no end for this number. That is called as a whole number. Natural number means the counting numbers. While you count the numbers start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and dot. That means there is no end. It is called as a natural number. So now we are going to see predecessor. What is a predecessor? If we subtract 1 from a natural number, what we get, it is a predecessor. For example, 10. 10 is 10 minus 1, you can get 9. That is when we subtract 1 from a natural number. So you have to subtract, you take any number. So natural number subtract with 1. So if you take any natural number, for example 5, it is a natural number. So from 5 you have to subtract 1. You can get what? A predecessor. That is, predecessor means that is subtracting number. Predecessor means you have to subtract. Predecessor means nothing but before number. Whatever the number you are taking, so before that number it is called as a predecessor. That means how you are going to find out the what predecessor means. Whatever the number you have taken, you have to subtract with 1. You can get a predecessor. That is what. So if we subtract 1 from a natural number, from the natural number you have to subtract 1. You can get a predecessor. That is what I've taken example. 10 is a natural number. So from 10 I have to subtract 1. You can get 9. So what is the number before 10? That is before 10, what is the number? 9. Okay. So what are the number you have taken? So that before that number. So whatever the number you have taken, that number is a natural number. So before that number, that is called as a predecessor. So before number is a predecessor, after number is a successor. That is what. Okay. That means if you find out the predecessor, you have to what? Subtract 1. What? From a natural number. From a natural number. So you have to subtract 1 from a natural number. Any number you can take. Even 50. 50 minus 1 you can get 49. 30 minus 1 you can get 29. For example, 90 minus 1 you can get 89. 100 minus 1 you can get 99. 40 minus 1 you can get 39. 45 minus 1 you can get 44. 12 minus 1 you can get 11. So these are the example of the predecessor. So what is a predecessor? So you have to subtract from a natural number what? You have to subtract 1 from a natural number. You have to subtract 1 from a natural number. It is called as a predecessor. That means simply you can say means, so whatever the number you have taken before that number, it is called as a predecessor. That means you have to subtract, okay, subtract 1 from a natural number, it is called as a predecessor. That is what. I think so you understand the basic concept.